a little bit more. A little bit more because you can still see a little tiny bit of it right there. So let's do... It's so stupid what I'm doing. What's happening, Poo Junkies? Mike Dog Audio here, back with another video on someone like home studio setup for voiceover. I got two quick things to talk about. This will be a super quick video. A couple of videos ago, I did a review of the CRANBORNE Audio Camden EC1 preamplifier. You're listening to it now, in fact. And yes, so stupid. That is painter's tape. I'm working on a microphone. I'm testing out a microphone, and I can't tell you about this microphone yet. It's probably going to be a couple of weeks before I can show you this microphone. Subscribe, bell, all that stuff if you want to. It'll be a few weeks anyway. But I can't show this to you, and rather than tear it all down just to put another microphone in, I just painter's tape because it was right here. Anyway, I have two things to talk to you about. I did the video about the Camden EC1 preamplifier from CRANBORNE Audio a couple of videos ago. I ended up really liking that preamplifier. Used it a bunch, recorded some gigs with it, really happy with the way it sounded. You're listening to it right now. Sounds pretty good, right? Pretty good, right? At any rate, I wanted to install it in my studio rack. And if you recall from the video, you know it's only about that. I touched the mic. It's only about that big, right? So I went onto their website, and it turns out that they do make some hardware to mount it in a studio rack. I keep all of my equipment in a studio rack outside of my control room. And so I ordered some, paid my own money. I did it through Sweetwater. I'm a Sweetwater affiliate. There'll be an affiliate link down there. So if you did buy the EC1 and would like to put it in a rack, like pretty small audience out there, but I wanted to let you know that there are rack ears is what they call it, that allows you to put either one preamplifier in a 1-unit rack, or it will actually join two physically together, not electronically together, but physically together. It will join them together. You can bolt them together. Pretty cool. Anyway, so I wanted to let you know there'll be a link down there. So if you're like, I can't buy that because it won't go on my rack, it can go in your rack with the ears. Easy. So I just wanted to let that know because I didn't put that. I didn't even realize it when I was making the video. I didn't even think about doing a rack installation. So I wanted to let you know a little bit of an update to that video. Item number the second to discuss with you. The folks at CRANBORNE liked the video that I put out. They were really happy with it. So they contacted me after the fact and they said, do you think as a fellow booth junkie who would maybe like to win one of those EC1 preamplifiers? And if so, would you share this link to a giveaway? So down in the description, you will find a link to enter to register to win one of these EC1 preamplifiers that you're listening to right now. It's a nice preamp. If you have an existing interface and like to take your preamp game up one level, this should work just fine with any of the interfaces you have. You just take a wire out of the preamplifier into the combi jack, presuming you have a combi jack, into your interface, bypass the preamplifier on your interface, and use this one. Gives you a couple of different flavors. And the EC1 is a nice sounding preamplifier, as you can tell. At any rate, there's a link down in the description to register to win one. I hope that helps. I don't really get anything out of it. They said, would you like to give one away? And I said, yes, there's a link. And I wanted to let you know about the rack ears all at the same time. They didn't ask me to make that video. Sweetwater didn't ask me to make that video. I just wanted to let you guys know. So it's all down in there. Just all sort of happened serendipitously at the same time. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. So go register to win a really killer preamp if you want. That's all I have for you today. Now, go get yourself a microphone. Maybe a super secret one. It's not a super secret one. I just am not ready to show it to you yet. Anyway, just go out and get yourself a microphone and record something amazing. We'll talk to you again soon. Take care.